day everyone, I'm Mayan Salas from Bachelor of Technology and Livelihood Education, major in Home Economics. So for today's video, let's talk about drafting the front and back bodies foundation pattern. So let's go! Objectives. First, demonstrate drafting front and back bodies pattern. Second, identify the materials needed for drafting. Drafting is a very basic methods of preparing. A paper pattern are used in order to cut fabric pieces and to make the garment. The pattern is mostly prepared on brown paper and using personal measurements of the wearer. The garment prepared by the methods of drafting fits exactly right in accordance with the satisfactions of the wearer. By using these patterns, garments constructions can be easily done. Materials needed. First, draw a perpendicular line and mark the corner A. So this is the starting point. From point A to get point B, measure 3 inches downward for the neck depth. Then A to C, measure 5.5 inches for chest height. Then from A to D, you need to get 1/2 of the armhole. So example, the armhole is 16 inches divided by 2, that is 8 inches. So that is the point D. From point A to locate point E, use the figure length. So example, the figure is 15.5 inches. So always start to point A. And then project point B, C, D, and E to the right with a straight line using a ruler. Next, A to F, use 2.5 inches for the neck width. Then connect F to B. Using the French curve, you can shape the neckline. Point A to G, use 1.5 shoulder measurement. Example, the shoulder is 13 inches divided by 2, so that is 6.5 inches. From point G, measure 1.5 inches downward for the point H. Draw a straight line downward. Connect F to H with a diagonal line. To locate point I, from C going to the right, use 1.5 chest measurement. Let's say chest measurement 11.5 divided by 2, that is 5 3/4 inches. Connect H to I with the diagonal line. To get point J, start from point D to the right, use 1.5 bust measurement. Let's say bust measurement is 31 inches divided by 4, so that is 7 3/4, and add 1 inch to the right, so that is the point J. Next, shape the armhole using a French curve from point I going to point J. From E to K, use 1/4 waist measurement. Example, 25 inches divided by 4, so that is 6 1/4 plus 1.5 inches for dart. Connect J to K with a diagonal line using a ruler. From line A to the right, get the bust height. Example, bust height is 8 inches, measure it downward. To get point M, start from point E, use 1/2 bust measurement. Example, 7.5 distance divided by 2, so that is 3 3/4, that is point M. Point M measures 3/4 to get point N and O. And then connect point M and O to point L using a ruler. Fold the dart O to N, then connect K to E and cut it. Next is back bodies. From point A, measure 1 inch downward. That is depth of back neckline. Back shoulder, you need raise 1/2 inches, then connect F to point 2. To get back armhole, move 1/2 inches to the right. From point J, measure 1.5 inch to the left. From point K, move 1/2 inch to the left and connect 4 to 5 point. Using French curve, shape the back armhole from point 2 passing to 3 and 4. To get dart from L, measure 1 inch upward. Connect point 6 to M, 6 to 7, and 6 to 8. Fold the back dart and connect 5 to E. This is the back bodies, and then cut it. This is the final look. So that's the end of my video presentation. I hope you learned something, and thank you for watching.